A warm welcome to all. Now we will see about GSM in the laboratory course textile science. Okay, what is meant by GSM? GSM means grams per square meter. That means we have to find out the weight of the fabric. We will be able to find out the weight of the fabric per square meter. For calculating the weight, we will be able to find out the density of the fabric, then the thickness of the fabric. The thickness are not followed for the texture of the, based on the purpose of the material. Then GSM is also used to find out the fabric selection. For doing anything, fabric selection is very, very important. Based upon the texture and weight only, we will be able to select the material based on the purpose. Then GSM is also used for quality control. That means assessing the quality of the fabric, how long the fabric will last, what is the purpose of the fabric, whether it suits or not. Like that, we will be able to find out the quality assessment. Then production consistency. In production consistency, we will be able to find out what are all the types of yarns used, then how the quality of yarns are there, then how long it will last, then the life of the material. Like that, we will be able to find out the production consistency, whether it is in perfect quality, it will suit the purpose. Like that, we will be able to find out. Then while coming to the characteristics of the fabric, based upon GSM, we will be able to divide the fabric according to light weight, then medium weight and heavy weight fabrics. Light weight fabrics means the GSM will be 100 to 150. Then above 150 to 200, medium weight. Then above 200, the fabric will be heavy fabric. Like that, we will be able to divide the fabrics according to the GSM. Then calculating the GSM, how you will calculate the GSM? Calculating the GSM, you have to take the GSM cutter, then you have to cut the samples according to the shape, like a round shape like that. Then you have to take the weight of the samples. After taking the weight, the fabric weights will be calculated by dividing the weight per square meter. How that rounded samples that will be divided into the square meter of the fabric. Then the GSM will be calculated. Then GSM is used for different contexts, like selection of the clothing, then type of the material, whether it will be casual wear, formal wear, occasional wear, towels, clothing, curtains, draperies. Like that, for characteristics, we have to select according to the type of the material. Then in industrial applications also, the industrial purposes, we are using many types of quality of material. The thickness will vary. In industries and all, lightweight fabrics are used, then thicker fabrics are also used. Then for dyeing, then for printing, like that, we are using the fabrics according to the weight. So the GSM is used to find out all these types of purposes. Then GSM is considered as an important factor in the textile industry. From the basic itself in textiles, you have to learn the GSM. That means grams per square meter. Any type of sample, after cutting that sample, that should be weighed. Then it will be divided per square meter. Fabric per square meter, that will be divided. Then the average will be found out, and that will be considered as the GSM of the fabric. Is it clear? Are you followed? Do you have any doubt in that? See, lightweight fabrics are used for many purposes, like dress materials, then for construction of or fashion shows and all, we will be selecting different types of lightweight materials. Then so for that and all, we have to select based upon the GSM that comes under 100 to 150. Then 150 to 200 comes under medium weight. Medium weight fabrics also used for clothing as well as other purposes like curtains, draperies, like that also. In all the dress materials, no, we will have to find out, we have to divide and characterize based on the weight. Then coming to the heavy weight, no, heavy weight in that all you will know about that will be used for carpets, rugs, then industrial applications like that. We are using the heavy weight fabrics. Like that, GSM is used for selection of the material, then learning about the quality, then measuring the weight, then quality control, then what else? Then different types of clothing like that we will be able to find out. Is it clear?